Hi everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learn Easy channel. I hope all you are fine and all you are doing good. Now we are going to discuss the 11.4 exercise of trigonometry chapter. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Now we are going to discuss it. Sima, in the 11.4 the first problem is evaluate the following. In that the first question is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, to simplify this, we don't know what to do. Then in this particular case, I asked you to do one thing. That is, you have to convert the given values into sine and cos. Okay, do that. 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. Why? Because tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. Similarly, 1 plus cot theta means we know that cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Okay, Nama? See, take the LCM of this particular term. Cos theta is the LCM we know. Then it is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Okay, Nama? Similarly, take the LCM here. Here the LCM is sin theta. Then we know that it is sin theta plus it is cos theta minus 1. Okay. This is the step we obtained from this. Now see, just observe this cos theta sin theta and cos theta sin theta are same. Okay. Now from these two I am going to write. Okay, now from these two terms it is like a plus b into a minus b. So this can be expressed as sigma cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta into sin theta. So almost your answer finished. Now it is like a plus b whole square. No, expand this. By expanding this, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 whole by cos theta sin theta. Okay, Sima. So we know that its value cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So that is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. This plus 1 and plus 1 are going to be cancelled. Then the left out value is 2 into sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta and sin theta are going to be cancelled and the answer is 2. Okay. Now see the second one. Okay. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square again. You may solve this directly by using a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Okay. Its formula is we know 2 into a square plus b square. By using that formula you may write directly. Else you are going to expand individually. Then after you have to simplify it. At last you are going to obtain the answer. Okay, now in any way you can solve. See, here it is expanded as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, similarly for this sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, Nama? So here these two terms are going to be cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 we know. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, this is one procedure. Else directly you may write its value as 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Since reason I am going to write a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to, we know that 2 into a square plus b square. By using this formula I am going to express that. 2 into sin square plus cos square theta, we know that that is 1, that is equal to 2. Understand? In any one of these two methods you may follow. Okay? See ma, third problem. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1 he gave. Okay? To solve this we have to use the identities. Secant square theta minus 1 is equivalent to which value? And cosecant square theta minus 1 is equivalent to which value we know? Secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but, we know, tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta, we know. Okay, if you want to simplify this, this can be expressed as tan square theta into 1 by tan square theta. Why? Because this cot square theta is expressed as 1 by tan square theta. So its answer is 1. If you want to write the identities here, then write ma. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 now. By that I am going to write secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Similarly, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. By that, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Okay, Nama? You may use these two identities to simplify this given problem. See ma, question number 2. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay? Then here just consider the LHS value ma. LHS is equal to, we know that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. See ma, I have to obtain its value equivalent to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That means our answer in terms of cos. So firstly you have to convert the given LHS value into sin and cos terms ma. And keep on simplifying those steps. At last you are going to obtain the answer. Okay. See, cosecant theta means we know that 1 by sin theta. Cot theta also we know that cos theta by sin theta. Okay na? Whole square it is. So these two are like fractions now. Okay. Then express this as a single fraction. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. It's whole square ma. So see, 1 minus cos theta whole square by, it is sin square theta. We know that sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So I am going to express that sin as 1 minus cos square. Why sir? Why you are expressing that sin square as 1 minus cos square means? See ma, here I have to obtain the answer in terms of cos. But up to this, okay, see, up to these 3 steps, here I am having sin. Okay, if I am going to convert this sin into cos, then the entire answer is going to be converted into the terms of cos. That is why I am converting that sin square into 1 minus cos square ma. So now it is like a square minus b square. Okay, can I write the 1 minus cos theta whole square as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? Without any hesitation I can write. It is a square minus b square no ma, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So here this 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta are going to be cancelled, and this is our answer, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Third question. Show that root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A is asking. Okay. For that, consider the LHS ma. LHS is equal to root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Just write the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Here 1 minus sin A, its rationalizing factor is, okay, I am going to write as 1 plus sin A. So here only I am going to multiply ma, 1c. 1 plus sin A with the rationalizing factor of the denominator, that is said to be conjugate ma. Okay, 1 plus sin A. Okay, by multiplying both numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin A, our answer is going to be 1 plus sin A whole square. Divide this root individually ma, and by root over 1 square minus sin square A, that is 1 minus sin square A ma. So see, this square and root are going to be cancelled, then our answer is 1 plus sin A by root over 1 minus sin square A means it is, we know that cos A ma. Since see, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, therefore cos A is equal to root over 1 minus sin square A. Okay na ma? By that I am going to write this as cos A. Now split this into two fractions ma. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. We know that 1 by cos A means nothing but secant A, and sin A by cos A means it is tan A. This is our RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS ma. See ma, so that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Okay, so to solve this problem, once observe the LHS and RHS. Here the LHS in terms of tan and cot, but RHS is in terms of only tan. Okay, to solve this only you have to follow one strategy, that is convert all the terms in the LHS into the terms of tan. Then your answer may be simply obtained. Okay, so take the LHS. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. So 1 minus tan square A, I don't want to change anything in the numerator. In the place of cot square A, I am going to write 1 by tan square A. That's it. Okay, I just converted the tan into, cot into tan. Okay, so 1 minus tan square A whole by, take the LCM here ma. Here the LCM is tan square A. Okay, and your answer is your 1 minus tan square A ma. Okay, this is like fraction by fraction ma. By reciprocating the denominator, that is 1 minus tan square A into tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. So see ma, here this 1 minus tan square A and 1 minus tan square A are going to be cancelled. Then tan square A is the remaining answer. Okay, that is our required answer also, RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. See ma, fifth one. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. For that, firstly consider the LHS one. LHS is equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, take the LCM here. It is cos theta, and 1 minus it is a cos square theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square theta means sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. I am going to write. Can I write this sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta ma? Yes. So sin theta by cos theta and sin theta by 1. We know that sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta into sin theta. This is our RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. See ma, secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. This will be simplified now. See, For that, just write the given question mark. Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. See ma. First multiply these two terms. Secant A into 1, secant A we know. Now, secant A into sin A ma. Secant A into sin A means it is tan A. Okay? For your convenience, I am going to explain you clearly. See ma. Secant A means 1 by cos A, we know that. So 1 by cos A into sin A. 1 by cos A into sin A means sin A by cos A. That sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. Secant A plus tan A. Okay now. Else if you want to write here, write ma. Secant A into sin A is equal to sin A by cos A it is. That is equal to tan A. If you want to write, then write like this. Okay, now see now. It is like A minus B into A plus B. Okay, then it is expressed as A square minus B square. So, secant square A minus tan square A. We know its value is 1 because it is an identity. That's it, ma. 7th question. It's a very important question, ma. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. It's a very important and very easy question. See ma, for that I am going to consider LHS first. LHS is equal to, we know that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Just expand this by using A plus B whole square form. Now it is expressed as sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A into cosecant A plus cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. Okay, Nama? See. Here, sin square A and cos square A are going to be paired at one place. Sin square A plus cos square A. Why? Because we know its value is 1. Okay, now see. I have to express the entire answer in terms of tan and cot. Why? Because the RHS value is in terms of tan and cot. That is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. For that, I have to convert all the remaining trigonometric ratios into the terms of tan and cot. So, this cosecant square A, we know that 1 plus cot square A. So, in the place of cosecant square A, I am going to write 1 plus cot square A. Now, see ma, this sin A into cosecant A value is 1, we know that. Why? Because cosecant A means 1 by sin A. Sin A and sin A are going to be cancelled, then it becomes 2. That is 2 into that is 1. Plus this secant square A is expressed as 1 plus tan square A. And here 2 into, see my again, cos A into secant A, that is 1 by cos A it is. Cos A are going to be cancelled, again it is 1. Okay, Nama? These are the values. Sin square A plus cos square A value 1 we know. Plus 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. So by adding all the numbers, these numbers are 7. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That is equal to our RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Very important problem. Okay, na? Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta is asking. So, first write the given question. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, now it is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So see ma, 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta. Okay, now if you want to write the formulas ma. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay na ma? So see, sin square theta it is, as it is we have to write. Cosecant square theta means we know that sin square theta, these two are going to be cancelled. It's our answer. Okay na ma? See ma, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then he is asking us to calculate secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what? Okay, so given we have to write first. Given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Okay, we know that, what we know ma? In terms of the secant and tan, we have one identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, it is like a square minus b square. So can I write this as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta or not? Yes, I can write. Okay now, here I am going to use the given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. So that is P ma. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Okay now, since from 1. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. This is our required answer. Okay na ma? See, this is a very important bit ma. Sometimes he is going to give you secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P and he is going to ask you secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what? If the given value is in identity order, that is secant minus tan, we have no, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. First secant, next tan. If the given value is also in the same order, and if the given is a plus value, that is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P, very clear. If, see ma, secant theta minus tan theta, he asks means you are going to do this. Okay, sometimes he is going to give you like this ma, secant theta tan theta minus secant theta is equal to x. Okay na, then secant theta plus tan theta is equal to question mark. So for that you have to write by this secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what ma? Minus x. Okay na, therefore secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 by, we have to write that 1 by minus x, that is equal to minus 1 by x. It's a very important bit now. Okay, you have to remember. Okay now, this is the last question of this chapter. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 ma. So see, here he gave cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, no? Thus you have to write that ma. Given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, let it be 1. Okay, so we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 no ma. By this we are going to write cosecant square theta, that is cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Okay na, so see ma, cosecant theta minus cot theta into it is k is equal to 1. So cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Okay na? Let it be 2. Okay, that is equation 1 and this is equation 2 ma. Firstly, add these two equations. 1 plus 2 implies cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. By adding these two, cot values are going to be cancelled. And 2 cosecant theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. That implies, just take the LCM here, k, and it is k square plus 1. This is cosecant theta. If I am going to calculate cosecant theta, then I have to transfer this 2 to that side. By shifting this 2 to right hand side, it goes and divides sigma. So this is cosecant theta. By this I am going to write sin theta ma. Once see, sin theta means reciprocal of the cosecant, that is 2k by k square plus 1. Okay na ma? So it is sin theta we obtained clearly. Okay, we want cos theta. Therefore, write LHS. LHS is equal to cos theta. What is cos theta ma? 1 minus sin square theta under root. So I have to write that. So 1 minus sin square theta means 2k by k square plus 1 whole square under root. So that is k square plus 1 whole square is the denominator value minus 4k square it is. Can I going to write that 4k square as 4 into k square into 1? Yes. So this is a square sigma. A plus b whole square minus 4 into a into b. Sigma here the numerator is like a plus b whole square minus 4 into a into b. We know that a plus b whole square minus 4ab is expressed as a minus b whole square. Okay, like that we wrote. So simply by cancelling the roots, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is our RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. This is one method now. Okay, in this way we will answer it. Else, see ma, try a right angle triangle here. Okay, and just represent any of the two acute angles as theta. Okay, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 2k and the hypotenuse is k square plus 1 by the obtained value. Okay na? So find the third side, that unknown side ma, by using Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square we know. AC square means k square plus 1 whole square is equal to 2k whole square plus bc square. Okay, by this sigma k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square is equal to bc square. If you want to write this 4k square as 4 into k square into 1, then sigma, it is like a formula, that is a plus b whole square minus 4 into a into b. That is a minus b whole square. By this it is bc square. That implies bc is equal to k square minus 1. Okay na? Or you may write directly as k square minus 1 ma. Why? Because cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 we want. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Already we know that hypotenuse is k square plus 1. Then adjacent side is k square minus 1. Okay na? You may directly write k square minus 1. Else you have to calculate that BC value as k square minus 1. Okay, if you want to write the formula here, just write ma. A plus b whole square minus 4ab gives a minus b whole square. Okay. After obtaining all the three sides, you may write cos theta ma. Cos theta is equal to what? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Why? Because adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is one way. Okay, now two methods we discussed. You may solve this problem by using the previous method, or you may solve by using this method. And one more method we are going to explain now. Okay, now we are going to do the third method. See, up to this the same procedure we are going to use for this method 3. So by adding 1 and 2 we obtain cosecant theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Let it be 3 ma. Now subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 implies. Okay, doing 1 minus 2, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Here cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. We know while subtracting we have to change the symbols. By changing the symbols, these two cosecant thetas are going to be cancelled. Then 2 cot theta is going to be the left out value, is equal to k minus 1 by k. Okay, by this cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k. By shifting this 2 to that side, it goes and divides the denominator. See, therefore cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. Let it be 4 ma. Cos theta means we know that cot theta by cosecant theta. So 4 by 3 I am going to do. 4 by 3 implies cot theta by 3 means cosecant theta is equal to k square minus 1 by 2k, k square plus 1 by 2k. Here 2k going to be cancelled. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Here sin theta and sin theta also cancel. K square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That's our answer now. Therefore cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay na? Any one of these three methods you may follow. Okay, but follow the first method or the third method. Okay, the second method is also easy. Okay, whatever the method you are going to follow and answer the question. Okay ma. With this question we completed the trigonometry chapter. Okay, all the best.